Hi guys.
Hi.
I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna do my intro. Just let me give you a little bit of overview. So this is Kesha. You don't know, so that's a Shin, and this is MELICASKYLIFE. Now Kesha has a new channel. I am going to link it below. I want you to go ahead and subscribe to her. Shin just a boss from me because I'm from Win. Girl a YouTuber now.
Subscribe to my channel at Shin's World.
What's your channel?
Lifeaskiki.
We can't wait to be a YouTuber for now. This is I'm too excited. Alright, so you don't know, I'm a girl, MELICASKYLIFE. Welcome to the video. We're going to be doing the supermarket challenge where we have a budget of $500.
So it's called the
budget challenge. So which supermarket we go? We can go like Progressive, so we can get one protein shake. Okay, I'm gonna get a protein shake, guys. So we're going to be going to the location right now. So we're going to have a budget of $500, and the person that gets the most of wins.
Budget.
Bluetooth. So
what's the rule? Layout.
Yeah.
You can't like say matches cost a little bit of money. You can't pick up more than one item.
So we pick up one
matches. You understand?
Pack of matches and that's one.
So you count that as what?
One item.
Oh, okay.
Right.
So no more than 2 items, right?
One Ocean.
No more than one.
Yes. So
no more than one.
You have to make your money stretch and be a thing. So after you're gonna see clips differently on each of us channel, so you have to subscribe to each channel to see everything. You understand me? And yeah, I'm just so excited. What's your money, please?
People, I want you guys to comment,
like, subscribe,
and tell us even after the outcome of this video. Tell us, who do you think won the challenge?
Also,
Team Kiki.
Also,
Team Shin.
I don't know if you're Skylife in the building. Anyways, also, so guys, we are on the road to Fairview. Where we are going? Not Mega Mart.
Fairview at
Progressive.
Do we have a time limit?
Yeah, we should set a time limit. No, we should set a time limit. What you guys
More
think?
exciting.
Do you think we should get a time limit?
I think so.
How
Yeah, to
long?
make it more exciting.
We can put it.
Yeah, put a stopwatch. 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Half an hour in a store. $500.
How much then? 15 minutes? 10 minutes?
Alright.
10 minutes, not too quick.
Alright.
Exactly.
So I want to say 30 minutes max.
30 minutes max.
I really want to check my weight, so I need to go up on something Progressive really and truly, so it's the right place. Progressive, you can sponsor us next time.
Yeah.
Water.
I have some
I'm so excited.
guys, we did need to have the mount thing, but we can't fit it up.
Show them.
Where they?
We have it.
We'll have it in the box. But the camera is so beautiful, like seriously. We need to figure out all 50.
We're having an issue, guys. So if you know, please comment down below why we're not getting it right.
Excuse Kesha button this a while ago, she fixed it now. It did
what
open.
about the
Why? I know my belly bigger than my dreams. I need to try something about it. That belly gone, something that I need to try.
Guys, you see me just in my gym clothes? Guess who got out of my gym? And I'm right gym shoes, my van now, Shin?
Wow.
Sure. You can't bother with this something. No.
Oh, you left me or something?
But I for go to gym today, but you might have a shoot and thing, kinda. But I think I'm going to just the same because from when I start, I'm just a procrastinate.
If we go straight?
Yes, go straight, darling. Whatever we buy, if we create a meal, right? And we can't repeat the item them. So preferably I think I buy stuff to eat. Somebody that think about matches and stuff have more items, but
you're not supposed to say what you're going to buy.
I don't know yet. I just think about it.
Right now, I have a strategy. Can't tell them what to do.
I'll be a nice man for coming and vehicle, you know.
Yeah, with big units.
I'm so excited. Oh my god, like people, and I just don't know how excited I am. Like.
Well, I've been wanting to do this video.
She a YouTuber, I don't want to hear nothing about for that. Long time YouTuber too, I don't know.
Yeah.
Guys,
if you reach over 500, you can't put on nothing.
You have to pay for same way.
There's some people may only have $500 in my purse.
Oh, she never have the money
So,
in her purse.
I don't walk with cash, people. I'm a cash.
So guys, let me just run through. It's 30 minutes. We're gonna get in the store. We're gonna get $500, and we must come up with, what should I say?
As much items as possible.
Oh, and we must have at least a meal in
We
one
podcast, I know.
in whatever that we buy. So yeah, we're going to go in the store now. Hey, my camera. See that? We look like a friend me there. In the background. Clear. So the video is in a vlog style. Oh God, it's so wicked.
What's up, Kiki gang?
To my friends. We're just overly excited. That's all I have to say, you know. I'm just so happy I have influence on other people around me. All of them started telling because I'm me. I'm just so excited. Before I start my shopping, I'm going to check my weight. Because as I'm telling you, I'm about 15 pounds. So I'm going to check my weight and then get into it. I have 30 minutes. Listen, remember you guys have 30 minutes, you know. Alright. We start the video. Please leave me alone. So guys, we laugh because just a while ago somebody did a steer with them. And oh, she didn't get like intimidated a little bit. Something there. We need to choose stuff where me I choose stuff where me I gonna need again. Marisha, is cotton expensive?
This is not working out. I think
I need to get a water. Maybe get a water, a Doritos.
Let me just pick up one cake soap because I think we need one.
I really want an ice tray now, but it's gonna run up my money to make me protein juice. And I can get one liquor one. No, so they must not too expensive.
Where are the treat stuff?
Alright, now I'll get a Doritos. This one Doritos.
Cheapness. What kind of cheapness there? Something.
Oh, we can do baby food challenge. Guys, when you watch this back, baby food challenge next. Maybe I should buy the small water to cut down my money. I'm too intelligent. I'm gonna get a small water. Oh, Shin. Oh, Shin. Why time I have for you something?
5 minutes. My time will set
My time round. Look up how Shin just a while ago. I should get a small water strategy. I remember we have to create a meal. Normally I cool water cheaper. Get an I cool water. Hi, you working here, darling? Yeah. Miss Birdie crackers. Right up front. Too expensive. $61. Can't afford it. And tea biscuit. And if you have a ginger one, a long time I don't eat the ginger, but now the ginger one more expensive. Hold on there. Ginger, no I think so. Who eat them and sweetness there though, Jesus? But say we can't repeat item. Strawberry sandwich, cookie sandwich. Can't repeat item. Oh, I used to eat these a lot when I just started to gain weight. This is what made me put on a lot of it. Chicken and cheese. Yes, but with cheese. I wonder how much money this is now, Jesus. Oh my God, when I want to buy nothing, when I want it. Give me a second. Let me get everything and come back to me. Guys, me no cut you. Why Superstar so expensive? $33 and 38 cents.
Stop that.
$33.88. So guys, I'm gonna stop by. They're having some samples in the supermarket. So I'm going to see what's the sampling. Sorry. Hi.
That's an asset.
What's the sampling?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
so
ma'am.
we're sampling shrimp pasta.
Yeah.
And we're also having a promotion called Ketchup Bar Promotion
Yeah.
where you purchase a rainforest shrimp with any other rainforest product.
Right.
So you can purchase 2 shrimp or you can purchase 1 shrimp with a rainforest fries, a rainforest burger, rainforest prawns,
Right.
rainforest
Right.
corn, as long as there's a shrimp with another rainforest product.
Right.
They get a chance to win an underage or Kia Sportage.
Kia Sportage? What
Exactly.
year?
I'm not sure what it's like. More likely it's 2020. I
What's the
think.
bunny?
Yeah, it's 2020.
What you say?
Yes.
So I can buy it at the store, or do I have to purchase it here?
Alright, so you can purchase it in Progressive Foods, Mega Mart, Hilo,
But I can't come to the Rainforest store.
Meat. No, the Rainforest store isn't doing it. So Consumer Meat, Hilo, Mega Mart, Progressive Foods.
Alright, let me see what you have for sampling.
And all you have to do is pull out the entry form, attach your receipt to it, and drop it in the...
No, let me see. This is shrimp pasta. Okay.
Yeah.
And what's the other thing?
Shrimp pasta.
Okay. Thank you.
Shrimp pasta.
No. This is somebody who I know, so I'll go over to them. They'll go over to them and talk to them really quick. I want to challenge me to do with my friend them, you know. Yeah, I'm supposed to look my items and I'm stop at a snacky area. Guys, so we are here. No, we are concluded right
I
now.
have one big water in IKEA. You know, say same thing. I say like we shouldn't pick up a big water. I have a big
You
water.
better take up a small one, B. But Ocean look like your stuff gone over. So we're going to review
Not do me
Ocean
that.
stuff.
Not do me
I
that.
feel like to me gone far.
Bad man.
Alright, we're going to review them now. We're going to do Ocean. We'll do Ocean one first. So guys, we're heading to the cashier now. I'm going to go first because I think I made a smart purchase. So guys, let me tell you the strategies I use. I use small items. Want to pick up none of them here?
Yes, that was the first.
Kool-Aid.
That was the pick up time. Obviously, buy one, get one, buy two, buy three, get one free.
That still count as one. So how much items do you think you have in here? How much items do you have overall? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. How much items do you have? How much items do you have? How much items do you have in your cart?
21.
That girl, 21. I mean, I have 40, 15. How much you have?
21.
How much you have?
21.
How the heaven?
No, but we need to go take up back somewhere.
No. Watch out. The girl, big crackers. How much is this? How much is this? This is $100 practically. No, you conclude. Conclude. So we're heading to the cashier now. And we're gonna see the price. Do you see a big water in my cart? Ocean get tricked. First we pick up a big water. I'm zoom past them. Run go pick up big water. This year, $100.
No, the price if they ever charge me $100.
No, when you know, see a plus tax, eh? Alright.
Right now, not you. We have 50 progressive gods.
So I'm gonna show you guys, whatever.
They just took out the first and three now.
Yes. You have customer card? Yeah. 180.
But that's about $200 you go spend $100 and something.
No money go past 200.
$200 and something you spend.
No man, me there 300 now.
You go back and take up something.
No, these are the items. They are 288 guys.
Wait, okay, wait now, wait.
Yeah, I'm coming to the people them place and the machine and pick up the item.
Stand up, same place.
Look out there about 300 or something. Shoot!
They are 443. 443.5.
No, you don't see no go over? Wait. You not finish. Show Casamel. Don't tell me something that good. 471. Oh my God!
Jesus Christ, me already. Woo! Miss, give me water free, please.
Oh, she the pass.
Oh, sure.
Grab a bag, gonna get you free. Okay. All of them go good now one.
Yeah, we want box, please.
Yeah. Oh, Shin, love this. What's your Shin?
No. Miss, I can't stop cash now.
I told you.
I thought this was up, stop.
Pick out something.
Sorry about that. Yeah, but some gas 700 and add you. Oh, something me that do a good job. Girl, I reached $360 already. $391, $416.
Born.
Anything. Oh, I see how much something they found mine. 13.
Alright,
Go
that's
over
it.
now.
That's it. So guys, 1M excitement in people in the supermarket.
This say, when I hear
700 and odd.
man back away say, when we can't bother with them beep, expletives.
I lie.
Yes, because every minute, yes, because every minute the lady after they call, team assistance. In the back away.
It's up there in the Jamaican.
Struggling on different line.
Not true.
So guys, I won the challenge. I did it in one go.
So
And
guys, I almost came first.
But do it in one go?
It was rigged.
You would never know rigged. Yes guys, please remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend, like and share. Peace out.